We'll guide you through how to reset and recover a forgot screen time passcode on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem if you can't remember what your screen time passcode is, because then you can't go and change the restrictions on your device. We'll guide you through how you can go and reset and recover it. So if we go and open up the settings app like so, you can then go and scroll down and we can go and find the option for screen time. Then here we can go and scroll down and find content and privacy restrictions and tap there. Let's go and say I want to go and turn these off or go and change a specific setting. You then go and see we need to go and enter in the screen time passcode. And I don't know what it is, as you can see, it's failing. So what we can do to go and reset and recover this is go and close off this like so. What you want to do is come back all the way back to the screen time settings. Once you're here, what you then need to do is you need to go and start scrolling down and you need to go and find the option for change screen time passcode. You can go and tap on it. Either you can go and change it if you want to go and change something you know, or you can just go and completely go and turn it off, and then you won't need to go and enter it when going and changing the different settings within screen time. So in this case, I'm going to go and change it. So I'm going to go and tap there. And then once we do it this way, you'll go and see we have the option for forgot passcode. So what you can do is you can then go and tap there. To go and do this, you need to go and enter in your Apple ID account. So what I can do is go and enter mine in now. We can go and press OK, and you'll then need to go and enter in the password. Go and press OK, and as you can see, we've now started the reset process. And what I can do is go and enter in and use screen time passcode. So I'll go and type that in, and we can verify it, and that's it. We've now reset and recovered it, and I now know what it is. So when it comes to going and changing a setting within here, or just go and completely turning it off, I can then go and enter in the passcode that I reset and recovered. And as you can see, I can now go and make changes within here. It's that simple. So if you found this useful and want to go and see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more guides like this on the channel and a lot more to come.